Oink here. Today we're going to be cooking breakfast tacos. Right, let's get into this. We've got our bacon, sausages. Let's get these in the air fryer. I know you're probably thinking, why not just pan fry them or oven fry them? Well, because we're using the wok for the eggs. So that wok is for the eggs, the air fryer is for this meat. Careful. How many tacos have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All sausages then. Why not? Okay then. Right. Now those are in, they should be cooking. I chose tacos because overall they're the dominant over burritos. Because, I mean, burritos, I know they're kind of Mexican, but tacos, they're like the heart of Mexico. I've been to Mexico, and you don't go out on the streets and see burrito stand, burrito stand, burrito stand. You see taco, taco, taco. You get jaw taco, meat taco, everything tacos. It's just tacos, street tacos, and they're the best. I remember at our hotel, there was no tacos, and I'm just like, why is there no tacos at our hotel? Now I have to go out on streets. Street tacos are so much better. Go to Mexico. Honestly, it's so good. They're different from normal tacos where a guy could just cook them and put in some meat in that. They make it with like the sauce that they've freshly made, fresh grown stuff, and then they'll just cook up the meat in front of you. Like they'll have this big cooked chunk of meat, like a big jaw thing, and then they'll chop it up and sizzle it in a pan with all of your other stuff, and then you just get this fresh taco with just fresh meat. It's so good. Honestly, it's amazing. I got it. I got it. Got it. Open sesame, abracadabra. Oh, hey! So I prefer to use a soup spoon because really you can just get it under. I like most spoons, it does the job well. Never really use a knife or a fork for this because it's always going to be a spoon. You just put it down in a little crack and then you go around it so it's loosened. You just wedge it all out. Look at that, and we can go and repeat the process. Wedge it out. There we go, and chop it. Oh, messy. I love avocado. It's so good for you. Some people hate it, but I just love it. I don't know why. I don't know how you can hate this. So this avocado done. We're gonna go and check this air fryer. Top of these sausages look nice and crisp. Now we're gonna turn them. Turn you. Please turn. Stop being annoying. I am on camera here. Okay, so we've got our eggs here. We're gonna crack them on the pan. And humans can only ever eat a little bit of eggshell. Never too much. Or else, well, you know, you die. I mean, that should be obvious, right? Dogs can eat tiny bits of eggshell, same as humans. I need to know, with some people, dog or cat? Matt, are you dog or cat?
Dog.
I mean, because we got Rookie and Red. Popped a bit of milk in. I mean, there's two ways to do scrambled eggs. The first way is to do it bowl and mix it, just with like a fork. The second way is to go full pan, and that's the hard. Because to be fair, you can see all the little white bits we've got here. I don't think we did it quick enough, but we might be able to just like recover it. There we go. So you know how earlier I said we had done it a little bit too early? That's because I have a pan at my house that cooks them in 2 minutes. And I need to get some patience. Patience, young Padawan. But you can see we've got some good scrambles coming on. So it's still a little bit saucy, but we've got it on a good heat, so it should be cooking up. Should be ready in about 2 minutes. Hey, are you filming me?
How long, chef?
1 or 2 minutes. Look at that colour, it's amazing. Really good colour. So this is my favourite rub, garlic butter. It says it can go with like, what does it go with? I don't really know. Seasoned fish, shrimp, chicken, garlic bread. I disagree. This goes with anything and everything. They mixed out eggs. Eggs. They go with eggs. They go with almost anything. My other favourite seasoning, which we don't have on the rack, is fries with that, which are amazing. But I love garlic butter. It's like a really full-on use rub. It just goes with so much stuff. I really like it. Garlic butter. It's the future. Look at this. Sausages, nicely cooked. Bacon. Crispy. That's what we like, nice crispy edges. These sausages out and kind of layer them up, and then we'll chop them, and we'll get the team up, and we'll get their tacos made. So now that we've got everything ready, did you get the plates? Where? Oh, here, sorry. I'm half blind. Who wants breakfast tacos? What would you like?
Taco, please.
What in it?
I'll have bacon and sausage and egg.
And anything else?
I'll have a wee bit of egg. That is perfect, thank you. Perfect.
Cash or card?
Card.
Okay.
No thanks.
You need to pay. I'll let you off this time.
Okay.
Sausage, bacon and egg, please.
There's nothing there on the cheese. Okay. Any of this?
No thank you. I've already finished those.
You're joking, right? Cash or card?
Card, please. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Hello.
Hi.
Taco, please.
Okay.
All the trimmings.
Everything.
Yep. Yep.
Is that enough avocado, please?
Yeah.
Cash or card?
Card.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Yum.
Anybody else? Hello?
Hello. Can I please have cheese and avocado?
What?
Want the cash?
Thank you. You do this, I'm keeping that. I'm not giving her it back. Now I've fed the troops. We're gonna get the cameraman something to eat. Don't want? That's everything. This has been Mini Oink. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.